Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install or download Oracle SQL Developer 26.2 on Windows operating system. To download the software in Google search box write there SQL Developer, then go on this oracle.com site. Then here click on this download SQL Developer. This latest version you can see 26.2. If I scroll down, then you can zip file you can get Node.js and app file RPM file. So let's use their zip file. Click on this. So click on this start downloading. The total size 475 MB is there and this zip file is currently downloading. Now you can see this zip file that's downloaded. Let's click on this open folder. Let's do the extraction. Right click, then click on this extract all. Extract. So file is now currently extracted. So this here file SQL Developer 26.2 and this is currently extracting. Now this done, then after simply you need to click on this SQL Developer 26 SQL Developer. Now you need to scroll down. There you can get this SQL Developer. So click this Oracle SQL Developer. So if I go into this SQL plus, now if I'm trying to do their connection with HR, let's give their HR connected like this escort is already. So this Oracle must be installed, then you can use this. Now thereafter here, first we need to do the connection. So let's click on this plus. So giving the connection with HR, so let's give their name HR.com, username HR, give their password. So this is ORCR. And now let's do the testing. This success. Now click on this connect. So this tables that's present there. Now you can use the table, select a star from employees. So this employees table record that's the display. Like this, if you want to do the escort connection, let's give the escort con. Let's give the username escort. Give their password. And here SID ORCR. Sometimes it should be XE. Now let's do the test. This connect. HR and escort both are connected. After that, you can use this according to your requirement. So this is how we can do the installation of Oracle SQL Developer 26.2 on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.